Tell me about your business. Tell me more about your franchise business. Tell me about your business.
Hi, this is Zahara Al Seagal, my name. My brand is Rolling Wheels Entertainment. Actually, we established in 2017 in Abu Dhabi, UAE.
So tell me more about your franchise business.
My franchise is Rolling Wheels Entertainment, which is we give services like skating, training, and also we have our product. You can see it as well here. This is skating, this is helmet, and also we have perfumes. This is exclusive.
This is our first participation here in Saudi Arabia. We're also looking forward, God willing, to expanding to other countries, whether European countries or the US. Now we are ready to offer franchises, and we welcome any companies or investors interested in becoming a master franchisee. For inquiries, we're happy to get in touch with you.
Thank you very much. That was good.
There are over 4,000 different franchise opportunities out there. To reduce your risk when picking a franchise, we provide you key insights and a great process to match you with the perfect opportunity. To learn more, click the link in our bio to schedule a free consultation today.